So, we already know that all current OneLife members can log in and use the DealShaker platform with their OneLife credentials. But what if you want to sign up a member who is only interested in becoming a merchant? Easy. Open your OneLife back office. Go to the My Profile section of the sidebar menu. Send the prospective member your DealShaker invitation link. The link will open the DealShaker sign-up form directly. Users can sign up for the DealShaker and use the platform right after registration. Now, note that the registration in the DealShaker platform will again automatically create a free rookie account of the newly signed up member in the OneLife network tree of the sponsor. Another essential detail is that, unlike other rookie accounts, all members with a free account who promote their deals and sell coupons for their deals through the DealShaker will keep their status as active members as long as their accounts are active in the DealShaker platform.